This is how to play What a Mighty God We Serve. I don't know the original key of the song, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, what a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. The angels bow before him, worship and adore him. What a mighty God we serve. Alright, so without any waste of time, let's break it down. It starts right here on this chord. This is C sharp major chord. From C sharp major chord, it comes to C sharp major second inversion. From C sharp major second inversion, it goes to C sharp major first inversion. Okay, so if you don't know these things, you can just join a private community by sending me a WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. Just send me a message to get more details. Okay, so the price of the course is 1,500. Okay, so it starts right here and then come here and then hit this one. So from this one, you're gonna hit number 4, which is this chord, and then go back to C sharp major, which is this one. All right. So just on that part, I'm gonna introduce the bass. Okay. When you hit the first chord on the right, on the left, you're gonna hit number 1. I'm sure you already know the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay. So when you hit the first chord on the left, you go to number 1. All right. You're gonna say. When you hit this chord on the left, you go to number 2, and then you come here. When you go back to C sharp major, you come to number 3 on the left. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's gonna sound like bum bum bum. Okay, so we are done with the first part. We're gonna move to the second part. Okay, on the second part, you're gonna play the same thing. You're gonna say, but this time you're gonna stay on number 1 until you play A sharp minor second inversion. Okay, you come here. You don't come here on the second part, but you go to A sharp minor second inversion. Okay, let's play the first part and the second part. It's what a mighty God we serve. We move to the second part. And what a mighty God. Right? So from here, you're gonna play C sharp major second inversion. You are still here on the left. And then from here, you're gonna play G sharp major. And then on the left, you're gonna go to number 5. Alright? Let's play the second part again. What a mighty God. And then we save. We are done with the second part. We're gonna move to the third part. The third part says, the angels cry before him. Sorry. The angels cry before him, worship and adore him. What a mighty God we serve. The third part is a little bit long, but we will cover it. Okay, so it starts right on C sharp major again. You're gonna play as if you're playing the first part. The angels rise before, and then from here it goes to C. It goes to C sharp major, second inversion. The angels cries before, and then you come here. And then from here, you're gonna play this chord. Right? Worship and let's play it again. The angels cry before him, worship. Right? So just on that part, let's introduce the bass. So when you play, the angels cry before. Right? So on this part, you're gonna play 1. When you hit this one, you no longer go to number 2, but you go to number 3. Alright? Ba, 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 ba. And then da, da. When you hit this chord, you go to number 4 on the left. Worship. And then from here, you're gonna say adore him. You're gonna play C sharp major again. Adore him, and then you come here. From here, you're gonna say, what am I? And then go back to that one. What am I, God? And then you close it. You come here. We say, right? Let's play the third part one last time. The angels bow before him, worship and adore. Right? So when you hit this one again, you go to number 2 on the left. Oh, now worship and adore him. You stay there. When you play C sharp major second inversion, you go to number 5 on the left. What am I? You stay there until you close the song. What am I, God? We say. Okay, let's play the first part, the second part, and also the third part. Okay, so let's start. And what am I? Moving to the second part. What Almighty God we save. That part. The angels bow before him, worship and adore him. What Almighty God we serve. Okay, so if you want to make it nice, you can add things like I hope you saw it. Until we meet again, God bless you.